Hi guys, welcome to another Craft Angles release. And in today's release, it's going to be a short one again. Actually, we were not planning to do a release this month. However, a lot of you wanted to see Diwali stuff, and we decided to make some for you guys because, as you know, right, Diwali and things, especially in India, it's a big festival, and there are only Indian brands who are doing it, and we always like to bring something different to the market. So before we get into Diwali specific things, etc., I just wanted to show you some of the other things that we are also releasing as a part of this release. Again, I know it's already Diwali, and we unfortunately could not circumvent some of the circumstances that were going on, especially in terms of labor unavailability around COVID, etc. And that is why there was this delay. So for let's get on with the release now. So we are releasing 5 new A4 decoupage papers, and earlier, I mean, these are very different from our earlier releases. However, they are still in sync, so I will get into all that. Let me just start with the first design, which is floral postcards. Now, this design is almost a standalone design. It has everything that you need. Again, for those of you who are new to our Craft Angles release, and who are new to our brand, let me tell you that we believe in giving out quality products at really affordable rates. That is our motto as an Indian brand. And the decoupage papers are again very affordable and reasonable. The A4 decoupage papers that we sell retails out at 99 rupees. So you get 4 sheets, one per design, and they retail out for 99 rupees. And the same designs, like most of them have designs in A4 and 12 by 12, and 12 by 12 is going to be 149 rupees. So you can, if there are same designs available, you can probably pick and choose what size you want, etc. So yeah, in this particular release we are only doing A4, so just to put it out there. So this particular design is one of my favorite in this release, and you can see why. I'm a person who loves grunge, who loves browns, who loves vintage, and I feel this particular paper has everything that you need. Like, it has old scripty writing, it has that vintage effect, it has this stamps, everything, and along with that it also has these florals. So especially for decoupage, etc., where there are a lot of florals that go around. A lot of people prefer that, except when you are making a masculine project. So we really like that there are a lot of florals here. So it is actually a standalone design that you can use in itself, without adding layers, and you don't have to worry about all that. You can literally use this sheet as is on your decoupage paper, and it will still look beautiful. So here are the 4 designs. There are slight differences in the florals that you can see, and this particular one is my favorite because, again, I am a lover of brown, so I really, these kind of designs speak more to me rather than floral designs. But last release we did a lot of bolds and colorful designs, and a lot of you came back to us saying that, what, we would love to see some vintage grunge, because that has always been our USP, and that is why we have done some grunge this time, because we are a company who believes in listening to our customer. So that was the first design. Second is again a grunge design. This one is related to travel, and this is called as vintage postcards. So here are the designs that you get. I will first show you all the designs. So as you can see, it is, as the name suggests, it is vintage pictures, or you could say vintage urban landscapes, that has been added with postcard motifs and elements to create that decoupage paper. And along with that, there is also grunge effects that has been added to make it look more vintage. So here are the designs. I love these two designs, this and the earlier one. Cityscape, that resonates more with me living in city. And this is, of course, how can we forget Paris when it comes to making a travel paper. So yeah, these are the four designs. Again, perfect for a travel box, a passport cover that you are making, especially for men, because they prefer vintage, grungy, black designs. I know, being a girl, I prefer that, but especially I think this would resonate with masculine projects as well as travel themes. And I see especially these ones being used on a traveler book, on a postcard, etc. So there are a lot of ways in which you can use them. Again, we have kept some spaces, like this is completely full. Again, you have some space here and here. So, if you want to add some of your own elements, like this one is kept pretty bare. Like, you have a lot of spaces here, so that, you can add your stenciling, your coloring, etc. I honestly feel it looks beautiful as is, but you can definitely do that. You can add stamping, etc. You can also, like if you're personalizing a passport cover, you can put their names, etc. over here. So you have that space. Next one is an extension of our Pretty Woman paper. So if you have been following us in Decoupage, you know that our Pretty Woman 1 and 2 are really a hit among mixed media lovers, vintage decoupage lovers, etc. Because there was a lot of green, a lot of browns and yellows in it, and a lot of you wanted a different color element, and that is why we are releasing Pretty Woman 3. So the concept remains the same. So there are this vintage beautiful woman along with some vintage scriptures, etc. However, instead of doing browns and yellows, which you guys have loved, we decided to do some monochromes. So these are blacks, and probably if you want to color on top of it using your favorite chalk paint like watercolor, etc., using chalk paint to create that watercolor kind of an effect, you can definitely do that. So here are the designs. 4 sheets of A4. Now the next one, as I said, 4 sheets of A4 for 99 rupees and 12 sheets of 4 sheets of 12 by 12 for 149 rupees. Now these designs that I'm talking about, Pretty Woman 1, 2, all these are only available in A4, because if it would have been done in 12 by 12, the images would have become even bigger, and then it doesn't look nice. So the next up is Vintage Dress Forms 2. Now if you, again, you would have seen our Vintage Dress Forms 1. That was a lot of bold colors, so it had red in it, and the mannequins had a lot of bright colors and bold colors. And this particular one, we have done more of subtle shabby chic colors along with some vintage touches here and there. So here are the 4 designs. I'll take you through them, but just to show you first the designs and then I'll speak about them. So here are the designs. Again, you can see the only bold color I feel are these red roses and some pinks over here. Rest, it is very grungy, shabby chic, light colors, etc. So that was the plan. So customers can, depending on what customers, what you as a decoupage artist are making for a customer, like if it is something bold and colorful, then you can probably use Dress Forms 1, and if you want to make something shabby chic and old looking, then you can go for Dress Form 2. That was the thought process behind these designs. And then last one is again one of my favorite. It's my favorite. I don't know if you would love it as an artist, as a decoupage artist, you see potential or not, but I see a lot of potential. So these are old newspapers, and the decoupage paper is also called as old newspaper. So these are old newspaper clippings that range from this newspaper kind of font to something like this, which is dictionary kind of font, to something like this, which is your newspaper cover page, to something like this, which is you have your music sheet and your old dictionary kind of font. Now I feel this is a perfect base page, you know, if you are a mixed media artist, or even if you are a person who likes to make mixed media cards or decoupage, I feel this will be a perfect base page where you use this, and then you can fussy cut flowers, put it over here, or you can fussy cut men and, you know, put it over there, or you can do some image transfers on top of it. But this would make a really awesome ready-made background which you can use on your projects, your canvases, etc. So yeah, this is old newspaper. Again, my favorite is the old newspaper, the vintage destinations and floral postcards. I am a person who loves grunge, what can I say, guys? So that was the non-Diwali, or, you know, non-festive part of our release, our decoupage papers. And before I get into other things, for those of you who were not aware of it, last release we started something called as bundles. I will link down the combos link on our website. So how this combos or bundles work is that whenever we do a release, we will actually be creating a combos of various products that we think go best together. Especially during our release, we'll be doing it with our new release, etc. So let's say, for example, if you are interested in buying all these decoupage papers that we release together, you know, then they will be under a combo on our website. And if you buy everything together, since, you know, we feel you are our loyal customer who loves everything that we give out, we want to give you an additional discount. So individually all these will sell at 99 rupees. However, if you buy this entire combo, it will be at flat 10% off. So 5 into 99, whatever is the total, minus 10%, whatever, you know, whatever the amount comes out, that is what it will cost you to buy these 5 decoupage papers. Now this, trust me guys, when I tell you, these decoupage papers are already at a really good price point, and if you buy everything together, they become even pocket friendly for you. So if you are looking and, you know, if you like all the designs and if you want to pick them up together, I would highly suggest that you buy a bundle and save some money. Again, everything is added on our website, so, you know, you don't have to apply any coupon code, you don't have to worry. Just go on our website, on our combo page, and whatever combos you like, just click add to cart, add to cart, add to cart, and based on your address it will calculate shipping or whether you are eligible for free shipping, etc. So everything else remains the same, like how you are doing it. In case of combos, just like products, you can click on add to cart and it will, all this will get added to your cart. One click shopping, guys. So yes, that was the what I wanted to talk to you about combos. And